Singer unveils DLS Turbo, a unique take on dynamics and lightweighting study. In a remarkable follow-up to their previous success, Singer has introduced DLS Turbo, a captivating project that pushes the boundaries of performance and personalization. Building upon the foundation of the iconic Type 964 Porsche 911, this restoration process sets a new standard. Every journey begins when the proud owner of a Type 964 Porsche 911 entrusts Singer with their beloved vehicle, seeking a restoration that reflects their distinct taste. Originally manufactured by Porsche from 1989 to 1994, these sports cars have already amassed 3 decades of thrilling adventures, but now it's time for a rebirth. Meticulously disassembling the car, Singer's skilled craftsmen carefully remove the interior, exterior bodywork, and all mechanical components, unveiling the steel monocoque chassis. This critical element undergoes a thorough evaluation, meticulous cleaning, strengthening, and preparation, ensuring optimal condition for the subsequent stages of the restoration. Integrating modified carbon fiber bodywork is key to reducing weight and enhancing rigidity. The design of the carbon fiber body panels benefits from advanced computational fluid dynamics analysis, resulting in optimized aerodynamic performance. Strategic enhancements, such as a central front intake and hood vent, optimize cooling efficiency, while rear fender intakes and NACA ducts contribute to effective brake and turbocharger cooling. Each owner possesses unique preferences, whether favoring a track-focused restoration or one tailored for the open road. Singer accommodates these desires, creating bespoke experiences that align with their vision. As with all of Singer's restoration and modification projects, the engine of the owner's Type 964 Porsche 911 forms the core. Beginning with a meticulous disassembly down to the engine block, high-performance components and modifications are skillfully applied to maximize its potential. The heart of this distinctive masterpiece is an exceptional 3.8 liters flat-six engine, featuring 4 valves per cylinder and twin turbochargers equipped with electric wastegates. An air-to-water intercooler and a horizontally mounted, electrically powered fan further enhance performance. This evolution of the engine, fine-tuned for DLS restorations, unlocks power outputs surpassing 700 horsepower at exhilarating revolutions beyond 9,000 RPM. Singer asserts that 700 horsepower is the perfect threshold for this exceptional vehicle, leaving no doubt about the exhilarating performance it promises.